Dang it. I forgot to open my thingy. Oh, I always forget. All right. Let's go to Twitch. And let's go to chat. I always want to look at my Prime loot. Because the icons never disappear. Right. Okay. Awesome. I'm back for another stream. I forgot that yesterday we left off and we were going to actually do some coding exercises. So you're going to watch me very not skillfully, unskillfully, very poorly, sadly, go through some of these. Excuse me. I just ate too, so. Okay. I had to mute myself for that burp. That was a pretty big one. All right. So let's see here. Given a list of integers, use a vector and return the median when sorted, the values in the middle position, and mode, the values that occur most often. A hash map will be helpful here of the list. Okay, so that's kind of one thing. So I guess oh, here's a vect right here. Here's the vect. So we'll do let's see, 14, 23, 77, 99. That's a good number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 will be easy because it'll make the median easier to find. So how do I want to do this? The value in the middle position and the mode. A hash map will be helpful here. So I guess we should use a hash map. So that's the vec. And so a hash map was key value pairs. What was the syntax for a hash map? It's right here. So, yeah. Why would a hash map be useful? Oh, for the value that occurs most often. Okay. Yeah, it's not useful for the median, but it is useful for the mode because you can have the number on one side and then the count on the other. So I guess for that you would do a hash map and you could go like, you know, for I in hash map, if, you know, I guess the syntax is over here for that. I do remember this for loop. Oh, yes, or insert. Yep. So, yeah. So, yeah, if you have updating value based on old number, updating value if key has no value. So, right, you want to or insert or insert 0. So if the entry of the number exists, then you add you plus the count, +1 the count, and if it doesn't, then you insert 0. This is what we would do for the second one. And then you would go through the loop again and figure out which has the highest count. But I guess, the hard thing to do there is what do you do in case of a tie? Which I don't know if I want to deal with that. I guess you could keep track of all the numbers if it's a tie. Do you want to keep track of the numbers like with this set, right? Like you would return all the numbers in that case, right? But what if you had like 99? So you're going through this loop and you're like, oh, there's 100. Okay, that's the highest count. There's 132. Oh, that's the same as the highest, so we'll keep both. So we'll have 132 stored somewhere, and then you keep doing that until you get to 9. And then you have all these numbers stored because they're all tied for first. And then you throw them all away because 99 has 2. I mean, that's the worst way to do it. Actually, right, because you wouldn't iterate through each number. You would iterate through the second half. You'd iterate through the values. And sort the values and then grab the highest value. Something like that. Can you sort the values? I think you have to go by the keys. I don't know. And then, returning the median's easy unless it's an even number. And if it's an even number, then you're returning 2 values, I guess. I guess I should try to at least program it. It doesn't sound like fun. It sounds it sounds very annoying to do, honestly. But yeah. I mean, I guess for the first one, you just start off with finding the length of the hash map, right? It would do or the length of the vector. So you'd be and then you'd sort it. Let's see. which I'm not very good at sorting. I never got into the whole print line. This is bad. This is already bad. V dot lens. Is that a thing? I think so. Maybe. Let's save this. Okay. Let's just run this, get some confidence here, because I'm feeling like I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is in my Rust projects / practice, and then I'll cargo run. Let's just see something. Okay, yep, okay, forgot my exclamation point. Already messing up. All right, let's just, there's an associated, okay, maybe it's len. There you go. Forgot my, okay. Yeah. Remove this moot. Okay, 8. It did 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Better add another. No, okay, fine. It's 8. So if it's 8, we want. See, I don't want it to be 8 because it's an even number and it's harder to get the middle value. But if it's 8, we want 3 and 4. Or should we take the average of the third and fourth value with even numbers? Technically, yeah. Okay, you take the average. So I guess this is the perfect time to do a mod, right? So I guess you're like, if v.len mod 2 equals 0. Is that the right syntax? Okay, I should I should install the Rust plugin, because I noticed that it couldn't. What? Rust up, not available. Can start Rust language server. What are you talking about? I have cargo. Rust up version. Oh, really? Sudo snap install Rust up. Have I been doing this wrong? Doing this without Rust? What? I couldn't have been. That's impossible. I have cargo. What is going on here? I couldn't start. I mean, it's installed. Maybe I just have to close it, reopen it, because Visual Studios. Really? Why is it doing that? Okay. Rust not available. Install from rustup.rs. I don't know. Rustup.rs. Okay. Do I really need to do this? What? I don't have curl on this? Sudo apt install curl. What? Cannot install while Rust is installed. Okay. I don't know. I installed cargo. It's weird that Rust installed. Great. Okay. I think I had Rust installed, but Visual Studios is weird, I guess. So weird. Okay. Yeah, so expect Boolean found null. Double equals? Yes. Okay. I mean, I guess this doesn't have to be mid. So if it's even, then we want, you know, the v vector of, you know, v dot len minus 1 and yeah, and plus v, so median equals excuse me, v dot len yeah, let, and then we'll just print line that. And as you can tell, I really don't want to do the sorting part because that sounds scary to me. Median. The median is blank. And then else let median equals, oh, and this is in parentheses, and then oh no, oh, how'd that happen? Divided by 2. Okay. Yep. Okay, and then this is just v, oh, you know what, divided by 2 divided by 2. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, okay. And then this is just v dot len divided by 2. Nope, 2. And can't forget my thingy. And then I'm gonna copy this. Okay. This is actually, yeah, yep. Yeah. So, but first I have to sort the list. How do I sort this vector? I can put it in a new array. So here I could be like, I guess I could make another function that returns a value. So function sort vec, and this takes a vec and returns a, I don't know, I guess it could return a tuple. I don't have to return a vec. I think this is definitely wrong. Let's see. Let's look at this. Oh, but I guess you could use the push and stuff, so that's good. Maybe I should return a vec. So I could do, okay, vec i32 and returns a vec i32. This is wrong. Is this an arrow? No, it's just, I think that's what it's supposed to be like, right? Let's look at a function real quick, since I already forgot. That's why you have to just practice, you know. Practicing is good. So where's the function that returns something? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yep, I have to name this. I will name it V, and that's a vec. Okay. Can I not return a vec? Maybe they'll just go away after a while. I don't know. I don't know. So you take V and for I and V, oh, it doesn't like that. Expect found null. Can Can I not? Wait, what? Okay, let's look at for loops. I thought that part would be more straightforward. I think they go use a for loop in here. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I should name it something not v. I don't know. Num list. Okay. Num list. Okay. I mean, it doesn't like it. Mismatch type. So expected struct found nothing, or I don't know why it thinks that, because this is a oh, you know what? I see. So maybe I have to make sure that this vector is actually a vector. So if numlist how do I verify that? Do I have to do that in other functions? When when you accept the value here, you're going to return an, but here, okay, so here, oh, you know what? It takes a pointer to a string. I should probably do that too. And, oh, this changed. Oh, it's because of my if. Yeah, so this still... So like here, when you take a string, some string, and then you push the string, oh, you get an error as a reference. So, I don't know. Maybe we just type something and it'll not be an error. For I, so I want to do a new vector, right? So I'll make a new one, sorted list, or we'll have to do let sorted list equal vec new, yeah, and then numlist dot if oh, wait a minute, for I in numlist, wait, yeah, okay, if I is I don't know how to do this. So if we have the first number, we should pop it into the first number always gets popped into the new list, but I don't know. This is hard. This is hard. Maybe I'm thinking too hard about it. I should I'll sorting vectors in Rust. Here, Rust cookbook. Here's sort a vector. Oh my god. First chapter. Maybe I should just stick to reading. Oh my god. There's a sort. What? That's cheating. That's cheating. And I was gonna it's gonna waste my time with this. There's a freaking sort. I mean, it's not a waste of time. I think you should probably know how sort works, but I don't know if I'll ever know how sort works. V dot sort. And I guess I have to use vec sort. Or this is really confusing because they named their vector but they're able to just put sort. Oh, that doesn't work. V dot sort. There's no sort. Sorts the slice. Oh, you know what? Wait. Yeah, I have to make this mutable. Yes. Now V needs to be mutable. Okay. Yep. And then here, since it's a different scope, I have to, I mean, I guess I could just do it here. That's probably better. Let's see if I get the answers that I want. Oh my god. Cargo run. Median is 67. I don't know if that's the answer I want. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth one. Okay, well, I'm stupid, so I'm just gonna have to do this. 14, 23, 32, 57, 77, 99, 99, 100. So it's 57 plus 77 divided by 2. 57 plus 77 divided by 2 divided by 2, 67. Wow. It worked. Let's change it then to do that. That's 57. Yep. Okay, so we got the median part done. So I guess the hash map is the other one. Yeah. So I don't know if I want to do that. It doesn't sound like much fun because of the sorting keys. I just don't know. I mean, I guess we should try hash map, right? So this is basically what we're doing here. I wonder what's this do? Oh no. Let's try a hash map. Okay. And then here we'll do here we'll do let me equals yeah, we'll name it map2 equals hash map new. Okay. And I guess you have to import hash maps or use std collections hash map. Okay, it's imported. Then we do for. I wonder why this is. Oh, I forgot my. Those are going to get me every time. For I in V. Okay. Yep. Let count equals map dot entry. And that's going to be I dot or insert 0. And then here we'll do dereference count, which I still don't know why you have to dereference, but we'll do that. And then we'll do this print line. I guess it goes out here. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it out. Okay. Yeah. And that's the whole thing. Okay. So how do I go through and get the largest value? I guess you do like for I in or for count in I don't know map, right? if um, do you do like for KV? Can you do that? Is it parentheses? Unexpected comma. I don't know how to iterate through a hash map for KV map if okay. And then we'll do like let mut highest equal 0 if v is greater than highest, then you let's see, count, and then let me and then here we'll have to do like let mut highest number equals yeah, okay, and then yeah, so if then oops, highest count. That's fine. Yeah. Then highest count. Then highest number equals k. I guess. Then this is getting weird. It's getting really weird. Okay. And then here at the end, you just print the highest number. Does this really not have to be mutable? Unused comparison. Oh, yes, equals. Okay, there he goes. And then, yeah. And then, I guess highest count equals v. Value assigned is never read because this is outside. Oh, yeah. So we can put that here, I guess. Okay. Maybe that works. I don't know. Let's give it a try. I don't have high hopes. Oh, that does work. Okay. And then the weird thing here is that if I do it like this, then 100 becomes the 77. Oh, it replaces it every time. Yeah, or if b is greater than highest count. I mean, 99 works, right? So maybe this 3, 2 work. Yeah, it does work. Oh, because it's in a map. So it's not actually this list. It's whatever the map is. Yeah, and so in the map, 77 must be the first one. However that works. Okay, so I think that's solved enough. I think you spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to optimize this, but that was kind of I did not have fun doing that. It was like homework. Okay, let's see. Convert string to Pig Latin. The first consonant of each word is moved to the end of the word. And so with the second one, it sort of feels like you're just you have to read the first letters, so that means you have to read the first byte, which is English Unicode, I think, because it's UTF-8. I don't like hash maps, but I mean it's not bad, I guess. Yeah, I copied and pasted this whole part, but this is nice. I think this cookbook looks like fun. I should probably spend some time looking at this also, just to learn the little cookbook stuff. Seems very helpful. I'm probably gonna leave it at just doing this one exercise because I really struggled with it, and that just shows how bad I am at Rust. So we'll figure this out some other time. Thanks for watching, guys.